Hey everyone, I just had a really fun jump rope workout. I highly recommend trying a workout like this yourselves. If you have 5 jump rope moves to choose from, do maybe one lower intensity move with a few more intense jump rope moves and just combine them together in one giant set and see if you can do them all together without resting for a set duration of time. Maybe today you can just do a few minutes straight. Keep practicing. In a couple of weeks you might be able to add a couple of one or 2 minutes to your time, and so on and so forth. All right, the workout I did today was really nice. It consisted of 5 jump rope moves. The basic boxer skip, which is a lower intensity jump rope move, combined with 4 more intense jump rope moves. The double under, the jog step crisscross, the regular 2-foot crisscross, and the double under crisscross. And for each of those 4 moves, I did 5 repetitions. So I did the basic boxer skip, and then right away I went into double unders for 5 repetitions. Then I went back to the boxer skip for a few seconds before doing jog step crisscross. And I continued in that fashion until the timer of 12 minutes rang up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Good to get outside and exercise. The wind keeps pushing the jump rope. Just adds to the challenge. Boxer skip in between more intense jump rope moves. So 5 double unders, followed by 5 jog step crisscrosses, followed by 5 2-foot regular crisscrosses, followed by 5 double under crisscrosses. The TV cables there blowing around a little bit. It's quite a strong breeze. It's a nice chill on my back. A very fun, intense jump rope workout. I set my timer for just over 12 minutes. So I'm all about boosting speed, strength, stamina. A lot of my jump rope workouts, they don't involve complete rest. I often just jump rope at a lower intensity, as I'm doing right now with the boxer skip. But I often don't come to a complete rest. I like to try to increase my stamina, my endurance a lot. I just breathe my way through any difficulty. Slow down the intensity and then pick it up again. It's fun and cool to perform tricks, but it's I think even better to be in very good physical shape. Performing tricks and then being out of breath, I don't think it's that cool. I like to be able to skip for a long time and perform tricks at the same time. Especially if you're involved in sports. You don't want to be getting out of breath too soon. You want to be able to have good endurance and speed. Hello. Hey guys. Hey guys. Just saying hi to a few students there. They just finished school. I often go over to that school when I have free time and jump rope. And I often have a spare rope with me. It's amazing. Oftentimes when people see you jumping rope, they want to start or jump rope alongside you. So I often have a spare rope just in case one of my ropes breaks, but also in case someone else wants to jump rope at the same time. I did a great jump rope workout yesterday for building bigger, stronger calf muscles. And I'll upload that in a couple days. I often get asked about how did I build big calf muscles. In that video, I will give a lot of good tips and advice and show a real key jump rope move for targeting your calf muscles. On the right of me over here, it's a beautiful bird just hovering around. So the rope definitely feels shorter on one side, but it's all good. Just increases the difficulty. Hello. 반갑습니다. Did I just do another set of regular double unders? Doesn't matter, I got distracted there saying hello. Oh, breathing in that cold air is fantastic. Breathing in through my nose. Nose breathing warms up the cold air before it enters your lungs. Breathe in into your nose if you have to. Exhale with your mouth. I just got a message a little while ago from a friend saying he got married there, and I just told him life is funny. Did he ever expect to be living where he is living now, married to a woman from this certain country? He said life is full of adventure and possibility. It's fantastic. It's so good getting outside and exercising. I think it's the force multiplier. Any day I exercise, I feel so much better than a day when I don't. My productivity for the rest of the day is increased hugely. So, if you can't do the moves that I'm covering in this video, that's okay. You can use other jump rope moves. Maybe do a less intense jump rope move and combine that with maybe 3 or 4 more intense jump rope moves.